next day was the opening of Ulfstead Castle. Guests came from all over the island, and the mainland as well.
See, Thomas? That old man really is alive. It's waving.
Don't be silly, Percy. A suit of armor can't wave. What? Well, not all by itself.
Ladies and gentlemen, engines and coaches, I'd like to welcome you all to Ulfstead Castle. There is still work to do, but I hope to be able to restore King Godred's castle and grounds to their full former glory. And now, let me introduce my special steam engine, Stephen! Yay! You'll find that Stephen is an expert on history, having seen quite a lot of it himself. And along with Millie, he'll be more than happy to show you around Ulfstead Castle and the estate. Not only that, Stephen is responsible for finding something I thought was lost forever. King Godred's Golden Crown!
I'm sorry, Stephen. If I hadn't said anything about your job, you would never have wandered off and got trapped in the mine.
If it wasn't for you, I would still be trapped in there. And if I wasn't in the mine, I would never have found the King's Crown.
Ladies